Why are Asians better at math? Insights from Malcolm Gladwell's Outliers. In Chapter 8 of Outliers, Malcolm Gladwell explores a fascinating question. Why do Asians seem to excel at math? His analysis highlights a mix of cultural, historical, and environmental factors rather than inherent ability. Gladwell's arguments focus on three key ideas: linguistic differences, a culture of persistence, and the influence of agricultural history. Linguistic simplicity in numbers. Gladwell points out that the Asian numbering system is more logical and straightforward than English. For example, in Chinese, numbers are spoken in a way that directly reflects their mathematical structure. 11 is 10-1, and 21 is to 10-1. This clarity reduces cognitive load and makes mental arithmetic faster and more intuitive. Children in Asian cultures can often grasp basic math concepts earlier because the language simplifies the process. A culture of hard work and persistence. Cultural attitudes toward effort and perseverance also play a significant role. Gladwell discusses the cultural legacy of rice farming in Asian countries, which required meticulous planning, labor, and attention to detail. This history has fostered a mindset that values persistence and hard work, which align closely with mathematics success. This cultural math habit encourages students to spend more time grappling with challenging problems instead of giving up quickly. A broader educational approach. Asian educational systems often emphasize practice and mastery in math. Students are expected to develop a deep understanding of concepts through repetition and problem solving. This contrasts with Western approaches that sometimes prioritize creativity and broader topics over foundational skills. What can Westerners learn? Gladwell's insights suggest that Western cultures can benefit from adopting some of these practices. For example, emphasizing logical, intuitive methods for teaching numbers and operations, encouraging persistence by framing math as a skill to be mastered through effort, drawing attention to the benefits of consistent practice. Gladwell doesn't argue that Asians are naturally better at math, but instead highlights how culture and environment shape abilities. By recognizing these factors, educators and parents can better understand how to support mathematical success in all students. If you'd like to learn more about Gladwell's book, there is a link below. As always, please hit the subscribe button to stay informed. We will do our best to keep you engaged and learning with more helpful content.